see where the tow truck scratched my car. Scratch your car, you know. I did it.
Alovera.
Morning, Christy. Don't look at that boy. Boy, that's my man, not your man. Keep walking, Nosy. What the hell are you doing? You said I'm not using my space, so I'm using it. Okay, you need to move now. No, I don't. You can't stay there forever. Actually, I have a plastic baggie strapped to my leg that says I can't. Give up, Wallowitz. You've chosen to tangle with superior intellect you can't defeat. There is nothing you can possibly do.
Sige na, please! Inis kayo. Once, kabila.
Sheldon, oh yes they are. I mean, what?
Sekarang pipi-pipi ba?
I'm warning you, Sheldon.
Nag-away mo
Your
sa
threads
spot.
are empty.
Sa
Nothing
spot.
can move me.
Nag-away sa spot. Si siya, dumula siya car. Kanya, ikuha man ni Howard yung spot sa kuwan. Nagdala na spot ba? Sa future ng car. Bro ko siya car.
Idiot's doing? He's trying to kill me, Leonard. Video games and rock music have desensitized him to violence. Would you please talk some sense into your lunatic roommate?
You're both acting like lunatics. It's just a parking spot.
It's not just a parking spot. He can't handle the fact that I'm a bigger deal than he is now. Yo, preposterous. I have been solely responsible for this university's 6-loop quantum gravity calculations and have changed the way we think about those Einstein condensates. And I am also the one who got the Nutter Butters in the cafeteria vending machine. Maybe you missed that news while you're floating around like a goof in outer space. Excuse me, I have work to do.
Loko pa lang siya.
Can you believe this guy? I don't believe as if you tried to run him over.
Oh, like you've never thought of doing that. You just because
Sige,
I like to
buka-buka
drink.
Talaga, kanayos mo muna siya sa kuhan?
Hey,
Kaya lang,
sweetheart,
di ba, sige na kung hair fall? Di ba, dagan nakikita ka ng baby hair?
what are you doing in there?
Makakuha mo din na siya, mukha ng vitamins mo. Sarot, pwede ko siya yung bukang.
Kasi nga,
Wala pa, oy.
naiyak.
Stop that.
Sure, di ba? Research na lang ito?
Sir,
Ang cute. Ah.
Kung sa may beneficiary yan eh.
Kasi beneficiary ang buhok.
Yung benefits ba? Benefits ay mga pagbuta na rin ng Alovera.
Mukha na kong buhok, may nice
This is an
ang buhok.
authentic
Hindi
Chinese
ba,
rice.
pagod mo ka lang, butas mo yung buhok. Need niya, more nutrients, yung malawas. Tama mo
Kasi
yung buhok.
hindi mo na eh.
Right.
Shampoo mo na pabutangan ni nga.
Hindi mo good. Shampoo kayo mo, natural ang yung mga. Kaya kaya natural.
No idea just how
Hindi ba
much
ba yan?
of a
Kung ano
crazy
ba sa mga shampoo ka
That's
everyday?
West.
I had no idea how much that's
Ha?
worth.
Ano na?
Wala po gani.
Human na kayo? Lukot na kayo?
Wala gani.
And
Hala.
Dali gani sa taas, wala kayo.
we're fighting
Wala nga,
for
unang
the
nga
spots.
dira.
You keep it and I'll park in the structure across the street. Well,
Yes, yes, wala.
thank you.
Wala, okay, guni, sige na.
Human naman na.
Sige, banana ako, hiluta mo. Ayaw ka
Siya,
na.
wala kayo pang tutulog sa inyo.
Hiluta.
Thank you. Which I find totally unacceptable.
Hiluta na.
I must be the bigger man. Therefore, you may use my spot until such time as I learn to
Wala ba,
drive.
nag-survey ako kapilan sa kasimana.
Ulo. Kanagsana.
Okay,
Oh!
thanks. I don't know what to say. There's nothing to say, except I'm the bigger man. I'm not kidding, say it.
Sige na mga, 1
Just
minute.
say it. You're the bigger man, Sheldon.
Dugay kayo.
Ah, grabe! 1 minute.
And I believe
Dugay ka na 1 minute? Oh, pag tanaw siya na, parang ligaw ka niya, naanad ka sa ulo.
bank, they will tackle you to the ground.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd like to propose a toast to burying the hatchet. To burying the hatchet. Me too. In a weird way, I kind of feel like it brought us
Tuloy
closer.
kasi si Penny, tanong si Penny.
Yeah, everybody. Everybody's
Yes,
happy.
ma'am.
Great.
Tungkol mo lang kay Kwan, bunalan na niya bunalan mo niya si Bernadette o ka na kung yung bag. Na naisulod si Silio. Nag-away lagi sila na si Kwan Benny ang
According
mga
to information I gleaned from Yelp, you had great success when a Santeria
Nice, nice.
CC37 brought you a leather slack stained with chicken.
Gusto ka? Ikaw na sige na, butang ko yung buhok. Sige na, butang ko yung buhok. Sige na, butang mo na ito. Butang mo na ito. Butang mo, butang mo. Hindi, ikaw butangan. Sige na,
Sige na, sige na po.
O sige, pansa ko. Pansin.
Tang-butang. Mag-gym nga po.
Deli meats.
At least mga kuan.
What tests do you have to detect lipid residue? Lipid what?
Ano, gusto na nalago.
Lipid
Ito
residue.
na sa tayo. 3 times a week ka ba yun?
A colon calling card, if you will.
That's na.
Tuesday, okay? Now, don't rush it. We may be dealing with befoulment on a
2 minutes, 2 minutes.
minutes.
2 minutes.
Is that your son?
Ganina, 1 minute. Karong,
Looks like that laptop's seen better days.
Ako na kayo
If
nagmabayaran.
you're interested,
Usa na may bayad. Ako na
it's
bawas.
on 2 years old, 16 gigabytes of RAM,
Usa na yung sumulaw-ulaw eh.
processor, and
Saan pa ako naglawas nga
It
nakuha
has
na?
spent less than
Ano,
20 minutes
bakit
resting on
may
astronauts' penis.
Ah!
Ay, kayo.
Ay, wala. Ang badagit ka na lang. Dali sa balas.
Ha?
Hindi na. Nice kayo eh. So,
Pihing, may kagulo.
Is anyone else troubled by the Spider-Man theme song?
Dili ka pihing?
Na, kaingin sa ulo.
Alas, ano lang ako one day.
Upo mo sa una.
Right behind me,
Sa una.
Inspector Gadget.
Criminology ko.
Nakay picture mo ba ba?
Wala na. Dami ka na.
Ano man sa'yo?
Okay.
The Spider-Man lyrics
Love yan na kayo
Spider-Man,
makukuha.
Spider-Man.
Dali baga ba?
That's whenever a spider came.
Itong anak ka ni ba? Kuan.
I can think of anything Spider-Man
Sa
can't do
una,
with
pang ko
Spider-Man.
criminology.
One crawling
Snappy,
here,
kirmi niya, kakandidip.
all of those.
Kaya wala gino. Biyak ang dibdib.
Oh, siyempre.
Masal pag snapit?
Yes, sir.
Niya biyak ang dibdib.
Yes, sir.
It's heebie-jeebies.
I know, but that sounds like this.
Beso.
Anyway, I was
Ay, sa gani.
1 minute, 1 minute.
Last na gid niya.
Ah,
Akong pa
Josh,
Okay.
Indiana Jones 4.
Karaon. Dali ko lang ka dire.
Miss Congeniality, Profound and Fabulous. I mean, you know a movie's bad when
Ano ba, anak? Ano ba, anak?
Yan, namagid na.
Di ka na lagi.
Hi, Diana, gani.
Lagi mo ka mo.
Having dinner with Bernadette and her parents.
Katong ibot na ko si Masuna.
You love that.
Torture, especially with her dad. Nothing in common.
Mahimo
You know
na
what
gid.
I like to do when I'm forced to speak those beneath my
Ako.
nose?
Go naman yun. Go.
I bring up an interesting
Ah, may kalagot
the
ba?
difference between
Ah.
Spider-Man and
Ay,
spiders.
kaka. Basta, 1 minute na.
Ano pa uy? Nakoy mga 20 seconds. Nakoy 20 seconds. Ihap.
Despite
well, 2020.
there
One,
is no place in the
two,
continental United States,
three,
Alaska, or Hawaii
four,
from which one can
five,
dig straight through the center of the
seven,
earth and come up in
Ah,
China.
ano?
10, 11. Extra na na ha, extra.
Just kayo.
30,
Sadly, yes.
60,
Amy's taking me to a
70,
memorial service.
80,
One of her colleagues who is
90.
descent. So my planned conversational gambit is to cash in her market.
Lala, dili. Nice kita rin lang.
You'll never make a
Lalo ko dito mo yun. Last
Last na, last na.
Last na.
That should lighten the mood.
Last